If you're looking to dive into double entry accounting, you've probably come across OneUp and Billy, two software platforms offering accounting solutions. But which one actually provides better double entry accounting? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer and find out which platform might not live up to your expectations. OneUp is marketed as a simple accounting solution with a strong focus on automating tasks like invoicing, inventory management, and payroll. But does it truly excel in double entry accounting? Let's take a closer look. First off, OneUp offers double entry accounting, which is a standard in the industry, ensuring each financial transaction is balanced and recorded in two accounts. However, while OneUp does include this feature, it's not as intuitive as it could be for new users. It's mostly designed for business owners who are familiar with accounting, so if you're a beginner, you might find the setup and user interface a bit confusing at first. It's decent, but not the easiest to use when you want to make quick adjustments or get a clear view of your financial position. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. OneUp is pretty robust with its features, but that comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve. For someone who wants a straightforward, hassle-free double-entry accounting solution, OneUp might not be the most user-friendly option. You're going to have to spend some time getting comfortable with its layout, and that's something to keep in mind if you're just getting started with double-entry accounting. Now let's talk about Billy, which also offers double-entry accounting. Billy is designed for small businesses and freelancers and is often praised for its simplicity and ease of use. The double entry system here works well, but again, it's not without flaws. While Billy makes it easier for beginners to navigate, the double entry system can feel a bit restrictive when you need more advanced features. You're getting the basics, but if you want more flexibility in how you manage your accounts, Billy doesn't give you much room to grow. The fourth thing to consider is customization. OneUp definitely gives you more options to tailor the system to your specific needs, especially for complex transactions. But again, this comes at the price of more complicated workflows. Billy is much simpler, which is great for those who don't need a ton of customization, but not ideal if you're looking for something that can evolve with your business as it grows. Another important factor is integration. Both OneUp and Billy offer integrations with various third-party apps, but OneUp has the edge here. It supports a wide variety of integrations, making it easier to sync your accounting with other business tools. Billy has fewer integration options, which could be a deal breaker if you're using a lot of third-party apps to run your business. At this point, it's clear that both platforms have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to double entry accounting. If you're looking for something more robust and feature-rich, OneUp might be the way to go. But if you're just getting started and want something more intuitive and easy to navigate, Billy might suit your needs better, despite its limitations. But here's the thing, after trying both of these myself, neither OneUp nor Billy truly impress me when it comes to seamless, user-friendly double entry accounting. While they each have their merits, there's a better alternative out there. If you want the best experience and a free trial that offers the exclusive benefits, you should definitely check out the first link in the description. Trust me, this software has everything you need to manage your double entry accounting and more without the confusion and limitations of OneUp or Billy. So go ahead and take advantage of that free trial. You'll thank me later.